to Pittsburgh.
Dang, yo.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Spencer Berke. We are currently in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I've not traveled in a while and it feels so good to be in a new area. And I have to say, I just talked to the woman downstairs who checked me in and I was like, could I possibly get a room with a really nice view? She was about to get off work and she said yes. And look at this. I mean, how much more of a view could you ask for? Seriously? I mean, what? So I just got off of a 5-hour flight or so. I'm exhausted. I'm thankful I had the emergency seat so I could put my feet out, but man, I'm delirious. I haven't eaten all day. I only had like 3 pretzels. So I'm gonna grab some food real quick and I'll bring you guys with me. So I'm gonna chill for a bit and then check in about an hour or so. Well, it's only been about 25 minutes and I've been sitting here like, do I want to be in my room sleeping on a cozy bed or do I want to be exploring a city where I'm only at for like maybe 100 hours? And half those hours I have to be somewhere with a company, which I'll talk about later, but I have to take full advantage of being here. Got new custom jeans thanks to Brett over at Nordstrom, tailor-made. This is like heaven. What the heck? That thing is looking so clean. Dang. That thing's nice.
That works.
Literally never been here, so I'm ready to go find a good place to eat and take some good photos.
Hey, there's furries in town, man. They're like cartoon characters. Hotter than hell, huh? There you go.
Hey, man, I'll walk around.
Food.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
So as you guys just saw, I just got dropped off by quite the Uber driver. I literally put in my phone, like, take me to downtown. And I'm in downtown Pittsburgh now, and I really don't have any plan. I'm so hungry, haven't eaten all day long. So I'm gonna show you guys the city a little bit, go get some food, and it's kind of fun traveling alone. You get to kind of do what you want, but I do have to be somewhere tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, let's go check out downtown Pittsburgh. So I'm currently standing in the middle of like some kind of fair or some kind of like gathering. I don't know what it is, but I just saw it and I wanted to go check it out and find like the busiest area of the city. And I don't know, let's just keep walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, I literally have no idea where I'm going, so I just asked someone who was walking by, like, where's the good place to eat? Because everything was kind of scattered between downtown and like places where people work. So there's a market right here. I think I'm gonna go grab some food there. Tomorrow I have a very busy day. I have a meetup in the morning. I'm gonna go meet some fans over at a specific location, which in the morning I'll talk to you guys about and give you the full breakdown of why I'm actually here in Pittsburgh. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. You're this tall. Half standing. Get a party. Okay.
Wednesday at 9
Spencer might be coming down.
How long now, you think?
I've been watching you for like a year and a half.
Car yellow E36.
Camera wants to focus on the race flags.